Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today going to be opening up, will be the second box of 2022 Allen Ginter X. This is an online exclusive and a very fun product to open. I love Allen Ginter, and it's always a fun highlight to be able to open one of these. Here's what the rest of the box looks like, by the way. They sold out of these pretty quick. That's what it looks like. I remember when hearing that Fanatics bought Topps, or no, that Topps was losing the baseball license. I was thinking this would be the last year of Allen Ginter. So now that Fanatics has bought Topps, I'm pretty sure we'll still get Allen Ginters for years to come. So pretty happy about that. So here's the Allen Ginter X. That didn't work out very good. Alright. Okay, go check out what we got in our first box. Hopefully this one will be as good as that box. No spoilers though. I'm not going to spoil what we got. Definitely looking for the big rookies. We got Sawinski, Rhys Hoskins, Jared Walsh, Helio Ramos rookie, Corbin Burns, Rhys Hoskins mini, Yanni Hernandez rookie, and Ketel Marte. Former Texas Ranger, Yanni Hernandez. Chris Sale, Josh Donaldson, Glaber, J.D. Posednik, Scott Posednik, Yuri Gurriel, Sean Murphy, and Garrett Cole. Hope we get lucky and hit a numbered mini out of this box. We got Yepez rookie. I'm going to announce it right now. This guy, Juan Yepez, is my nemesis pull this year. It seems like whenever I get autos, it's him a lot of times. So he's my nemesis 2022 pull. Now I probably just jinxed myself in that we're going to get a Yepez in this box here. Freddie Freeman, Dave Winfield, Winder, Josh Winder, Adrian Beltre. We got Lucius Fox rookie, Correa, and Jose Siri rookie. Adam Wainwright, Jose Ramirez, Kyle Schwarber, Ashby rookie, Zach Wheeler, DJ Muggs, Robin Yount, Roy Campanella. You should get one auto per box, by the way. Ryan Sandberg, Aaron Nola. Ah, there we go, Bobby Witt Jr. And that one, actually, the corners look really good. A lot of the corners I've been noticing in this have whitening. So, a very clean Bobby Witt Jr. That's pretty awesome. Let's see if we can get it in our sleeve without dinging a corner. DJ LeMahieu, Tim McCarver, Palacios rookie, Julio Urias was really good this last year, and the great one, George Brett. So I've gotten two of my all-time favorite players in this same box. That is great. Let me find my other all-time favorite player. There he is. So, George Brett and Adrian Beltre, my two all-time, when I was a kid, George Brett, and as an adult, Beltre. Now, my current favorite player in the major leagues, oh man, has to be Ohtani. Just doing things that no one's ever done. Justin Verlander, this is one of my all-time favorite players too, Darvish. We have Charlotte North and nice Julio Rodriguez and Texas Ranger Jake DeGrom. Man, that one could get a 10. Looks pretty clean. I don't see a lot of whitening. Alright, we got it in there. So 2 really nice rookies. Joe Ryan rookie, Joe Morgan, and Malika Andrews, sports reporter. Hey, Malika. Okay. All right, Mike Schmidt, Seth Beer rookie, MJ Melendez, pretty decent rookie there, and that looks pretty clean. Andre Dawson, Eric Hosmer, Hideki Matsui mini, Jared Kelenic. Will he have a nice year? I think he's going to be one of the big bounce back players this next year. Alex Verdugo, Mariano, Vierling rookie, Mackenzie Gore rookie, Hart, Tatis, Balkovich. Oh, that's a manager, I think. Baseball coach. She's like historic in baseball, by the way. Larry Doby and Hank Greenberg, like a trailblazer. Yohan Moncada, Be Real, Lucius Fox rookie, Tony Gwynn, Sandy Alcantara, Brujan rookie, Marcus Semien, and Ellis. Ellis is Jason Ellis, radio host. Kyle Tucker, Mookie, Max, Donovan, rookie, Thurman Munson, Vlad Jr., mini, Joe West, and Eloy Jimenez. I always say this every year, but it'd be nice to see what Eloy would do in his prime of his career in a full, healthy season. I always wondered that about Matt Olson, too, and we kind of got to see that he can put up really big numbers. What can Eloy do if he stays healthy? Roberto Clemente, Drew Ellis, rookie, yeah, Jim Thome, Brandon Woodruff, Larry Walker, Nick Castellanos. I may never put these headsets on again. Shane Boz and Emmanuel Rivera. So still have not gotten their hit yet. Neil Moore, Explorer. That's kind of cool. Luis Robert. Dick Allen. Brownwell. Sal Bando. Got Trout. Ted Williams mini. That Mike Trout does have a little teeny bit of whitening in that corner. And Frank Robinson. I'd love for Trout to stay healthy all year too. Even though he's in our division, I still like Trout though. Big Trout fan. Alright, this pack, we have De La Cruz, Yogi Berra. Oh, this is the barbecue dude. Rodney Scott, barbecue chef. Here you can read about him. Trey Turner, John Mayberry, Yadier Molina, rookie, or not rookie, mini, Michelle Wee, Anthony Rizzo. Randy Johnson, Paul Molitor, Max Fried, Chicken Tendies, Salvador Perez, missing a mini here, Bobo and Manny Ramirez. Now, in some of the last box, I will spoil this. We were missing a mini in a couple of packs, but they made up for it in other packs. See, that doesn't look like it has a mini either. That's Martin Sheen, Al Kaline, Willie Adams, Rob Riggle, Javi Baez, Osborne, and Matt Olson. See, we were missing 2 minis. So hopefully we'll get extra minis in some of these other packs. Like I think we might have one of our extra minis right here. Chang. Comedian, Ronnie Chang. Todd Helton, Marcus Stroman, Osborne. Ah, there's a nice rookie. And another one that looks pretty clean. Jeremy Pena. And there is 2 minis. Ryu and Candelario. Matt Chapman and Paul O'Neill. So I think that's 3 of the main rookies that we've gotten there. Alright. Oh, 2 packs left. We have not hit an auto. Not one in that pack either. And no numbered mini, which you're not guaranteed a numbered mini. There's Pudge, Austin Riley, Jose Barrios, Cody Bellinger. We got our extra mini here. Hernandez, John India, and Luis Gonzalez, Greg Maddux, and Josiah Gray. So there should be an auto in this pack, or else we got shorted. Ah, there is a hit. So, man, that was good timing there for, as you guys know, I like to save the hit for last. And it's going to be in this pack. Monty Irvin. Ethan Roberts, rookie. Big Poppy. There's our hit. Nair, soccer player. Alyssa Nair. We got an Otani and a T. Oscar. So first, let me sleeve my Otani. Hey, and we got my favorite current player, favorite childhood player, and favorite adult player. So favorite player as an adult and favorite player as a kid. And we got an Otani and a Trout, I believe. Okay, come on, be something good. Should be a silver ink auto, I think. It is. Is that Rizzo? It could be. Oh, Rob Riggle. Yeah, nice. Rob Riggle auto. That's number 14 out of 25. Very cool. Definitely my only Rob Riggle autograph I've ever pulled or have in my collection. So we got a pretty cool non-baseball auto. Awesome. And a nice little pile of rookies here. No numbered mini. That's okay because we did get a nice auto. Rob Riggle, comedian. We got an Otani. We got Jeremy Pena. And my rookies actually look really good on the corners and stuff. There's Mike Trout. There's Julio and Bobby Witt Jr. So, honestly, probably 3 of the top. You might put Bobby Witt Jr. up there just as high as Wander, but these are 3 of the top 5 for sure. Pena, Rodriguez, and Bobby Witt Jr. Definitely, I think the top 2 right there. All right, pretty good box. All right, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos later.